Welcome back to your favorite celebrity news destination. Today, Turkish entertainment world to you. We present an elegant and eye-catching update from the most admired couples. Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktaş. The couple recently attended an engagement party of a close friend, and their appearance became the subject of the town. Fans could not get enough of them until their chemistry was exhibited. Come to this wonderful night, what? Let's tell you how they wear it, how they interact, and how the fans react. Special engagement ceremony held in the setting of a beautiful villa garden on the outskirts of Istanbul. Invited on the guest list, there were many famous names and close friends from the sector. But the main focus of attention was rain and peace. When they came, all eyes were on them. Delicate silver detail, she looked sparkling in her light lavender dress. Her hair was styled with soft waves, and her makeup, it was fresh and bright. Peace was a navy blue suit and he looked simple, classic, and very handsome in a white shirt. They posed together at the entrance of the venue and then a few fan pages released clips of them smiling and holding hands, openly falling in love with each other. Kept things out of exaggeration during the event. But while chatting with his friends, they were seen laughing and even taking pictures with the newly engaged couple. It was seen that other stars attended the engagement ceremony, but peace and rain, it definitely dominated the night in terms of interest and admiration. Even better, despite all the love and attention. Humble, with their feet on the ground and focused on celebrating their friend's special day. He shared a photo of a corner of the place, illuminated with candles with the following title: "We Celebrate Love." Although he did not directly mention peace, his fans understood what he meant. Barış also shared a simple photo of the couple with their shoes side by side on his Instagram story, shared with the heart emoji. It was nuanced, sweet, and enough to drag fans into a frenzied excitement. Some fans even think that this look points to something deeper. Perhaps future wedding thoughts, although they have not yet commented on this issue. Their ties and comforts with each other continue to strengthen in the eyes of the public. Whether ordinary hangouts, romantic gestures, or stylishly in front of the public, let it be appearances, rain and peace gives fans every reason to believe in true love. Yağmur Yüksel and Barış Baktaş's engagement. What do you think about her gorgeous appearance? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. For more intimate stories and updates of your favorite stars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.